To reset a Whirlpool dishwasher, start by switching it off and unplugging it from the power source. Wait for 5 minutes before reconnecting the machine to the power source and turning it back on, ensuring it is in standby mode to prevent it from running. Next, press the heat dry and normal buttons twice, one after the other, which will cause the control panel to light up. The hard reset will continue until the machine automatically turns off. For newer Whirlpool dishwasher models, an alternative method can be used. Press the first 3 buttons 3 times, one after the other, which will also illuminate the control panel. Then, press cancel and a loud beep will sound, indicating the hard reset is in progress. The beep will stop once the reset is complete. By following these steps, you can successfully reset your Whirlpool dishwasher.